John-Hooks here, and welcome to my review of TubePayz. All right, and so I'm in the dashboard of it right here. This is where you will come to create your sites, import your videos, work your traffic, and of course you have your tutorials on all of this. Now there is a demo video that I have attached to my bonus page. We will not go through that because it's almost 20 minutes in length just by itself, and I certainly don't want to make a 40 minute review video here. So bookmark this page, and so we're going to go over to my bonus page. So to get there from YouTube, beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and TubePayz here. Click that link. It'll take you to this very page that we are on. All right, so what is TubePayz? We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about the prices, the bonuses that you get from me also. So this is a first-to-market 3-click app that creates and hosts YouTube-like websites and drives free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds, which makes us $472 a day, the creators of it. All right. At any time, when you're ready to go ahead and get your copy of this, click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here to go ahead and secure your copy. All right, so a little bit more about what is TubePayz. Again, first to market app creates YouTube-like websites loaded with 3.9 million videos in 250 different categories, such as health, movies, fashion, and 250 more categories, and gets us free buyer traffic in 60 seconds flat. So you can launch your own YouTube-like business, your websites, channels, and enjoy daily profits. All right, so TubePayz come loaded with mind-blowing features like done for you 3.9 million videos in different niches, one-click auto import millions of videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and DailyMotion. Choose from 250 plus different categories, go live with unlimited attendees like for Zoom and Go Meeting, add millions of YouTube short videos, upload, host, and embed videos to websites, pay and unlock features, inbuilt video studio, drag and drop upload feature, send unlimited emails to your audience, geo-blocking, monetize videos and earn money, and much more. Okay, so all that for $19. All right, and that's what you get on the front end, everything that we've talked about and what you've seen over in the dashboard. All right, so there are a couple of, a handful of offers. OTO number one is the unlimited version for $67. So obviously the front end version has some limitations. Those weren't revealed, but typically it limits you on how many videos you might be able to download in a day, or how many categories you're allowed to create, for it. And so the OTO unlimited gets rid of all of those restrictions. OTO number two, the done for you for $297. So if you want it set up for you, if you feel that you can't do it, and you can, it can be done for you for $297. OTO number three, the automation, for $47. OTO number four, Swift Profits for $67. OTO number five, Limitless Traffic for $127. OTO number six, Franchise Edition for $197. And OTO number seven, the Multi-Income Edition for $47. All right, now all of these will be explained to you after you buy the front end, and then you can make a decision of what if it's something that you need and want. All right, and so the benefits, of course, 3-click launches your very own YouTube-like website. Start your own YouTube type business immediately in 250 plus different niches. Live stream with your subscribers, profit from this, $160 billion market out there. Instantly load the website with 3.9 million YouTube shorts and videos, no audience required. It has created more than 1,200 plus YouTube-like channels spanning 250 different niches. In total, 54 beta testers have generated a profit of over $206,000. 100% fast and reliable web hosting for your website. Grow your audience and charge them on monthly or weekly basis. Newbie friendly, no technical skills or knowledge required, no hidden fees or extra expenses. Ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. And in addition, you'll be paid $100 if you do not generate any traffic or sales. So 365-day money-back guarantee, and $100 on top of that if you don't generate any traffic or sales. All right. So that is a what you call a win-win or no-lose situation here. All right. So we already talked about the 365 day money-back guarantee. This is the demo video here. It's like over 19 and a half minutes, I believe, and so a little bit too long to show on a review video. Again, go ahead and bookmark this page, and you can come back and watch this at any time. And also, I have some bonuses for you here when you pick up TubePayz now. All right, so to help you out getting your business off the ground and getting traffic to it, I have 5,000 visitors for you, along with 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner ads. Bonus number 2, side hustle secrets. Bonus number 3, triple traffic, some more traffic for you. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. And bonus number 5, essential emails. All right, now you also get bonuses from the vendor. There was a pretty good handful of them. So the vendor of TubePayz has passed those on through me, to give to you when you pick up TubePayz through any of my banners here today. So that is pretty much it. This is sold on the Warrior Plus platform, and you're probably familiar with it. You'll go to your secure checkout. Once you click on my banner here, you go to the sales page and then secure your copy. And when your transaction is complete, you'll be taken to your purchase page on Warrior Plus, where you'll click on the green button to access TubePayz, and you'll click on the blue button on that page to access the bonuses that I just offered to you. All right, so that is pretty much it. Quick and simple. Thank you for taking your time to check out this review and the bonuses. Don't forget to check out the demo video, and have yourself a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.